Hello, today we're going to cook some chicken wings here, and we're going to use this FRYER air fryer. And so I've got 20 chicken wings, or I should say wings. It's the little drumettes and the flats. I've got 20 of them in here, so I'm going to wash them out, or wash them off. Empty the water off of them. Okay, now I've got those all washed off, and I've washed my bowl out, and I've sort of got them dried off. I'm going to dry them off just a little bit more. Now I'm going to dump them back in this bowl. Like that. Now we'll wipe this counter off. I'll come back in a minute with some disinfectant to get all that chicken juice off of there. Now we'll get out my little pop-up sprayer. I've got here an oil sprayer. We'll pump it up pretty good. Spray some oil on it. Okay, I'm going to toss these just a little bit in this bowl here until the oily side sort of gets on the bottom. And we'll spray them down some more. Let me pump up my sprayer some more. Altogether, I measured that one time. I think that equates to about 2 teaspoons of oil that I put on these. Okay, now we'll get out my LAWRY'S all-purpose chicken seasoning here. I'm going to sprinkle some down in here. Okay, and now we'll get this dash. This is a garlic and herb dash, and we'll sprinkle it down in there like that. And we'll shake them all around. And we'll do a little more. And a little more dash. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper here. Stir them up some more. Okay, now that's about enough of that. That's mixed up pretty good right there. Looks like all of them's got some spices and stuff on them. So now we'll dump these down here in these in this FRYER Air Fryer XL basket. We'll shake them around a little bit. Sure, got a little room to breathe there. Put it back in there. Now we'll take the basket and put in here. Now, believe it or not, that's 20 wings down there, and you got plenty of room. You could actually put more. You won't have any trouble cooking this many at one time. Put it in there and shut the door. And then I'm going to hit the power button, and I want to raise the temperature up to 390, and I want to hit the time up to 22 minutes. And now I want to hit start with the power button. Let it start. And there it goes. Now, we'll be back in a few minutes to check on them. Because I don't know if it'll take 22 minutes or not, but if it does, it won't take much longer than that. Okay, now they've been cooking for 11 minutes. I'm going to take them out and take a look. Boy, they're looking good already. And I'm going to set this over here and just pick this up out there and shake them around some. Oh yeah. Now when you do that, make sure this is locked back in here before you go to set it back in there. Because if it's not locked in there good, when you go to move it and it comes out and everything's going to be on the floor and you're not going to be very happy with it. So anyway, I think we'll be ready to go here in about another 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So we'll be back. Well, I got you. If y'all can, enjoy my channel, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, all you people who joined my channel. And thank you very much for all you people watching my videos. Okay, we're down less than a minute now. We're getting ready to eat some wing pieces here. So we'll take a look and see. By the way, all these items I use in my videos, I usually have a link for them down below. So if you think you'd be interested in finding one of them, just look down there and you should be able to find it. That's on 0, and it runs for a second or two after it gets to 0. And then it stops. Oh, those look nice, don't they? That looks delicious right there. Getting brown on all sides. Oh yeah, that's delicious wings right there. I tell you, it's nice and crunchy on the outside. Nice and juicy and tender on the inside. Every time you fix these things, eat them just about almost sick of them. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video. And I hope you'll watch more of them. I hope you come back and see me real soon. Until I see you again, y'all have a real good day now. Goodbye.